Okay, so now we're going to get into arc length and area of a sector. So we've got this arc length, which is our radius times our degrees, and our area, which is 1/2 radius squared times our degrees. So go ahead, write these formulas down, and we're going to get straight into using them. So go ahead, write them down. The first thing that we're going to use them with is a baseball diamond, which if you look, that blue part in there looks just like what a baseball diamond looks like. So go ahead, pause this and write it down. I'm going to keep it going for about another 20 seconds, and then we'll move forward.